In the manufacturing world, improving production efficiency is crucial for reducing costs and maximizing output. One of the key metrics used to assess the effectiveness of production equipment is overall equipment efficiency, OEE. OEE is a comprehensive metric that evaluates how effectively a manufacturing operation is utilized compared to its full potential. OEE evaluates three key factors: availability, the percentage of time equipment is actually running, considering planned and unplanned downtime; performance, the speed at which the equipment operates compared to its maximum speed; quality, the ratio of good, defect-free products produced to the total number of products produced. The formula for OEE is availability times performance times quality equals OEE. OEE is primarily used by manufacturing professionals, including operations managers, to monitor production efficiency and identify improvement opportunities; maintenance teams, to track equipment reliability and reduce unplanned downtime; production managers, to ensure production is running smoothly and efficiently; quality control teams, to monitor and maintain product quality standards. In essence, OEE is used across all levels of manufacturing operations to continuously improve processes and equipment performance. OEE is used regularly in production environments, particularly during daily or weekly reporting, to assess the efficiency of daily operations. Continuous improvement programs. OEE is integral to methodologies like lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, where reducing waste and improving efficiency are core goals. Scheduled equipment assessments. During planned maintenance or system checks, OEE can provide insights into whether equipment is functioning at its expected level. Additionally, OEE is often used after implementing changes to the production line to evaluate the impact of those changes. OEE is applied in various manufacturing settings, including automotive manufacturing, where equipment uptime and speed are critical for meeting production quotas; food and beverage processing, to ensure minimal waste and consistent product quality; pharmaceutical production, where compliance with quality standards is paramount; electronics and consumer goods manufacturing, to optimize the production of large volumes of products efficiently. While most commonly applied in manufacturing, OEE can also be adapted to other industries that rely on equipment-intensive processes. The primary reason OEE is critical in manufacturing is its ability to identify and measure inefficiencies in the production process. These inefficiencies could include unplanned downtime, when equipment breaks down or requires repairs; speed loss, when equipment is not running at optimal speeds; quality loss, when defective products are produced. By calculating OEE, organizations can pinpoint areas that need improvement, thereby enhancing production efficiency by minimizing downtime, improving speed, and ensuring quality. Cost reduction. Optimizing equipment performance helps reduce unnecessary costs related to waste, energy, and labor. Productivity gains. Improved OEE leads to higher throughput, more output with the same resources. In summary, OEE is essential for improving both the operational performance and profitability of manufacturing processes. OEE is measured using the following steps. 1. Calculate availability. Availability equals uptime divided by uptime plus downtime. It accounts for downtime due to equipment breakdowns or other disruptions. 2. Calculate performance. It can be calculated using the formula performance equals ideal cycle time times total count divided by runtime. 3. Calculate quality. Quality rate equals processed amount minus defect amount divided by processed amount multiplied by 100. You can also express the quality rate as quality rate equals right first time divided by total production multiplied by 100. 4. Calculate OEE. Once availability, performance, and quality are determined, OEE is calculated by multiplying these three factors together. OEE equals availability times performance times quality. Through this process, OEE provides a comprehensive view of equipment performance, identifying areas for improvement and driving continuous enhancement. In conclusion, OEE is a vital metric in the manufacturing industry, helping organizations track, measure, and improve the performance of their production equipment. By understanding the key elements of OEE, availability, performance, and quality, companies can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Regularly monitoring OEE ensures a continuous focus on operational improvement, driving better outcomes for manufacturing processes across various industries.
This quiz is designed to evaluate how committed you are to understanding and learning about OEE, a crucial metric for improving production efficiency in manufacturing. Answer each question honestly, and based on your responses, you'll gain insights into your level of commitment. How often do you engage in learning about OEE? A. Daily. I actively seek out information on OEE and how it can improve manufacturing processes. B. Weekly. I read articles or watch videos occasionally to stay updated on OEE. C. Monthly. I check in on OEE-related content whenever I have time. D. Rarely. I haven't prioritized learning about OEE yet. How familiar are you with the key components of OEE? Availability, performance, and quality. A. Very familiar. I can confidently explain each component and how they contribute to OEE. B. Somewhat familiar. I understand the basics of the components, but I could use more detailed knowledge. C. Not very familiar. I've heard of these components, but I don't know much about them. D. Not familiar at all. I haven't learned about the key components of OEE yet. Do you actively apply OEE principles in your current role or environment? A. Yes. I consistently track and use OEE to improve efficiency in my workplace. B. Occasionally. I apply OEE concepts when required, but it's not a consistent focus. C. No. I don't currently apply OEE, but am open to learning how it could benefit me. D. No. I haven't considered applying OEE in my role yet. How do you prefer to learn about OEE? A. Hands-on experience. I prefer applying OEE concepts directly in real-world scenarios. B. Through books and articles. I enjoy reading about theories, case studies, and best practices. C. Watching videos and tutorials. I learn best from visual and interactive content. D. I'm not sure. I haven't explored many learning methods for OEE yet. Do you actively seek out opportunities to improve the efficiency of equipment in your workplace? A. Yes. I frequently look for ways to optimize equipment performance using OEE principles. B. Sometimes. I consider efficiency improvements occasionally, but it's not a top priority. C. Rarely. I don't often think about improving equipment efficiency. D. Never. I haven't thought about equipment optimization much in my current role. How confident are you in using OEE as a performance measurement tool? A. Very confident. I can confidently use OEE to assess equipment efficiency and suggest improvements. B. Somewhat confident. I understand how to use OEE but need more experience. C. Not very confident. I have a basic understanding but struggle to apply it in practice. D. Not confident at all. I don't feel prepared to use OEE effectively. Have you ever participated in a training or course focused on OEE? A. Yes. I've completed formal training or coursework on OEE. B. No. But I'm considering taking a course in the near future. C. No. I haven't considered formal learning about OEE. D. No. I didn't know training options for OEE were available. How important do you think OEE is in improving manufacturing operations? A. Extremely important. OEE is essential for optimizing equipment and maximizing efficiency. B. Somewhat important. I see the value in OEE but think other factors are equally important. C. Not that important. I'm unsure how much impact OEE has on operational performance. D. Not important. I don't think OEE plays a major role in manufacturing operations. Do you keep track of the OEE metrics, availability, performance, and quality, at your workplace? A. Yes. I monitor these metrics regularly to identify areas for improvement. B. Occasionally. I track OEE metrics but don't do so consistently. C. No. I haven't tracked these metrics before, but I'm interested in learning how to. D. No. I haven't considered tracking OEE metrics in my workplace. Do you have a long-term goal of mastering OEE to improve your professional skills? A. Yes. I am committed to mastering OEE and using it to enhance my career. B. Somewhat. I'm interested in improving my understanding but don't have a specific timeline. C. No. I haven't set a goal to master OEE, but I may consider it in the future. D. No. I don't see mastering OEE as important for my career growth. Scoring and interpretation, 40 to 50 points. Or answers, highly committed. You are deeply committed to learning and applying OEE principles. You actively seek ways to improve equipment efficiency and understand the importance of OEE in your professional role. 30 to 39 points. B answers, moderately committed. You show a solid interest in OEE and have some understanding of its value. With a bit more focus on learning and applying OEE concepts, you can significantly improve your knowledge and skills in this area. 20 to 29 points. C answers, somewhat committed. You recognize the importance of OEE but haven't fully embraced it yet. 10 to 19 points. D answers, low commitment. You haven't yet fully explored the concept of OEE, but there is room for improvement. Consider dedicating time to learning about OEE and its applications in your field. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about overall equipment efficiency. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore OEE in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.